Let's walk through this step by step. Bitcoin's sitting in a really interesting spot right now, caught between some heavy resistance levels and mixed signals from the market. We've got ETF outflows hitting hard, while regulatory news is actually looking pretty bullish with the Clarity Act making progress. Starting with support and resistance levels, Bitcoin's fighting that key $80,000 resistance zone and the 200-day EMA sitting right around $82,400. That's acting like a real ceiling right now, similar to what we saw back in 2022. If we're looking at immediate support, $79,000 is the first line of defense. Below that, we've got stronger support in that $73,000 to $75,000 zone. And if that fails, we're probably testing $70,000, where a lot of short-term holders break even. For a real breakout signal, we need to see a convincing weekly close above $84,000. That would be genuinely bullish. On the flip side, if we break below $79,000, we could see some serious long liquidations getting swept. Now let's talk volume and flows, because this is where it gets interesting. Spot Bitcoin ETFs just saw $635 million in outflows on Wednesday, which is the biggest since late January. That's some serious profit-taking right there. BlackRock's IBIT led those redemptions, so institutional money is definitely taking some risk off the table. But here's the thing, the positioning is really mixed. Long-term holders are still accumulating, and we're seeing larger spot orders from whales. That tells me informed capital is still active. Meanwhile, retail's clearly taking profits after that 37% rally from April lows. We're seeing 3 consecutive lower highs without lower lows, which suggests we're losing that bullish momentum. The chart structure shows a descending channel, and some are calling this a bearish flag formation. Could be setting up as a bull trap if we can't hold these support levels. That hyper-liquid whale shorting $70 million in crypto definitely adds to the caution here. Looking at the liquidation map, we've got short liquidations clustered above $80,000, with bigger pools around $82,500 and $85,000. A strong push could trigger a proper short squeeze. On the downside, long stops are sitting just below current price, especially around $79,000, and deeper liquidities at that $73,000 to $75,000 zone. The key catalyst everyone's watching is that Clarity Act vote in the Senate. If it passes, we could see a rapid move toward $90,000. But with PPI inflation hitting highs since 2022 and this profit-taking spike we're seeing, the market's definitely at a crossroads. That sums it up.